Hello friends, in this lecture what we will be doing is we will be evaluating the degree for undirected graphs. So you have already seen that how to evaluate the degree in case of directed graphs. So for in case of uh, undirected graphs, it becomes very simple once we know the degree for directed version. Why? Because we have seen that whenever we are having a vertex and for that vertex we add up the in and out degree, then that gives the total degree, and that total degree is nothing but the degree for that particular vertex. So therefore, in case of undirected graphs, what we have to do, we have to simply count the number of edges at a particular node. So consider we are having this particular graph A, B and C. Three vertices are there. Then what we will be doing is we will be counting the number of vertices at any particular node. So here it is 1, 2 and 3. So the degree for vertex A will be 3. Likewise, here it is 1, 2, 3 again. So degree for vertex C will be 3. And here it is 1, 2. Now this is loop. So whenever there is a loop, it has to be counted twice. Why? The concept will be cleared from the directed version of that particular graph. So if you look here, this C, this is having how many, so what is the out degree for this particular graph? It was 1 and 2. What is the in degree for this graph? It is 1 and 2. Oh, so you look closely, 1 will be for going away and 1 will be for coming in. So whenever you have any loop in a graph, then the degree for that particular loop will be 2, remember. So if this loop is having degree 2, this is already there, that is 3, and this is already there, this is 4. So therefore the degree for the vertex B will be 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So remember, degree of a vertex having a loop will be loop counted twice plus all the other edges. So therefore, if this is vertex and this is degree, then this is A, B and C. So A is having degree 3, B is having degree 4 and C is having degree 3. So in this way, we evaluate the degrees in case of undirected graphs. It is very simple. And once you know this concept, then you will be able to understand lot many concepts which will be coming in future. Now, there is a vertex called as pendent vertex. What is a pendent vertex? If you look this graph, then there are 4 vertices. And let us, now you know how to evaluate the degree of any vertex. So let us try to evaluate the degree for different vertices. So this particular vertex is having 2 edges attached. So it is having degree 2. This vertex is attached to 2 edges. So it is having degree 2 again. This vertex is attached to 3 edges. So it is having degree 3. And this vertex is attached to only 1 edge. So it is having degree 1. So what is a pendent vertex? Pendent vertex is that vertex which is having degree 1. So a vertex having degree 1 is called as pendent vertex. Simple. So these are very simple concepts. So you should all know this. So in this lecture, till this point only, in the next lecture, what we'll be doing is we will be learning about regular graph and other types of graphs also. So thank you very much for watching it.